friends, this is third lecture on sphere. In this lecture we will learn some more concepts based on sphere. If s equal to 0 represents sphere and p equal to 0 represents plane, then s plus lambda p equal to 0 represents family of sphere passing through the circle which is intersection of s and p. In the previous lecture we saw intersection of a sphere and plane is nothing but a circle, and there are plenty of sphere which passes through this circle, and all these spheres we call as a family, and that is represented by this equation s plus lambda p equal to 0. For different value of lambda we get different sphere. Next is tangent plane. If you want to find the equation of tangent plane to the given sphere at a point x1, y1, z1, then it is given by x1 plus y1 plus z1 plus u into x plus x1 plus v into y plus y1 plus w into z plus z1 plus d equal to 0. Then distance of this point from the center is obviously radius, and if we draw a line joining this point with the center of the sphere, then that line is nothing but normal to this tangent plane. The next is orthogonal spheres. If you are given two spheres intersecting at some point, then if we draw a tangent plane at that intersecting point, they must be at right angle. Suppose these two are the spheres and P is a point at which they intersect, then at this point if we draw a tangent plane to this first sphere and same thing at the second sphere, then that too tangent plane must be at right angle, and angle between the tangent plane is nothing but angle between their normals. This line joining point P with center of that sphere, that will be normal to this first sphere, normal to the tangent plane for this first sphere, and same thing PC2 will be normal to the tangent plane for this second sphere. So if we consider this triangle C1PC2, this will be a right angle triangle, and if we use the Pythagoras theorem for it, then C1C2 square is nothing but R1 square plus R2 square. If we use the general equation of sphere, then we get the equation in terms of UV, W and D, that is 2U1 U2 plus 2V1 V2 plus 2W1 W2 is equal to D1 plus D2. Here are some examples on it. Find the equation of sphere which passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2z minus 2 equal to 0, comma y equal to 0, and touches the plane y minus z minus 7 equal to 0. Now here we want a sphere which passes through this circle. Already we saw that there is no separate equation for circle, it is intersection of a sphere and a plane. Now whenever we want to solve such problems in which we want a sphere which passes through circle and satisfying certain property, then it is always better to consider family of sphere which passes through that circle and then use the given property to get the required sphere. So firstly consider the family of sphere, that is s plus lambda b, that is equation of sphere, plus lambda into equation of plane, that is y equal to 0. Now for touching plane, we must have a perpendicular distance of a center equal to radius of that sphere. So first find what is the center and radius of this family of sphere, and for that we need what are u, v, w and d. So equate the coefficients of x with 2u, that is minus 2, so u will be minus 1, coefficient of y divided by 2, that will be v, coefficient of z divided by 2 will be w, and constant term is d. Then center will be minus u minus v minus w, that will be 1, minus lambda by 2 minus 1, and radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. And if we simplify it, gives us square root of lambda square by 4 plus 4. Okay, and now find what is the perpendicular distance of this center from this plane, and for a touching plane it must be equal to radius. So use the perpendicular distance formula. It is modulus of minus lambda by 2 minus of minus 1 minus 7 divided by square root of 0 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square equal to radius. Radius already we have calculated, square root of lambda square by 4 plus 4. Okay, this is a condition of tangent, this is a condition for touching plane. Perpendicular distance equal to radius. And now simplify both the sides. Modulus of minus lambda by 2 minus 6 by root 2 equal to square root of lambda square by 4 plus 4. To remove this modulus and square root, take square on both sides. So if we take a square, we get minus lambda by 2 minus 6 whole term square by 2 equal to lambda square by 4 plus 4. Simplify it, take the terms on one side, lambda square by 4 plus 6 lambda plus 36 is equal to lambda square by 2 plus 8. And after simplifying it, we get a quadratic equation lambda square minus 24 lambda minus 112 equal to 0. Now find the values of lambda such that their summation is minus 24 and multiplication is minus 112. And the factors are minus 28 plus 4. Their addition is minus 24 and multiplication is minus 112. Therefore, roots are 28 and minus 4. Now put this value of lambda back to the family of sphere, that gives us the required sphere. As there are two values of lambda, so we get two equations of sphere. First one is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus lambda y, that is 28y, plus 2z minus 2 equal to 0, and other one is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 2 equal to 0. So there are two sphere which passes through the given circle and touches that given plane. Now consider the second problem. Find the equation of sphere which passes through 1 0 1 and meets yz plane in a circle of radius root 3 with center at 0 2 1. Now again we want a sphere which passes through circle and which also passes through 1 0 1. So here consider the family of sphere which passes through the given circle. But for that we need equation of the sphere and a plane. Already yz plane is given. Yz plane is nothing but equation of that is x equal to 0. But we want a sphere. We are not given a sphere. We are given a circle with center and radius. So form a sphere with the same center and radius. And then intersection of that with yz plane is nothing but the given circle. So first considering the sphere with center 0 to 1 and radius root 3, same as that of circle. Use center radius form. It is x minus 0 square plus y minus 2 square plus z minus 1 square equal to root 3 square. Simplify it. It gives us x square plus y square plus z square minus 4y minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. Now intersection of this sphere with yz plane is nothing but the given circle, and equation of yz plane is x equal to 0. So consider the family of sphere which passes through the given circle, and that is nothing but this equation of sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 4y minus 2z plus 2 plus lambda into equation of plane, that is x equal to 0. Now we want a sphere which passes to point 1 0 1. So it must satisfy the equation of sphere. So put this point into this family of sphere. So if we put 1 0 1 into it, we get 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square minus 4 into 0 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus lambda into 1 equal to 0. So that gives us a value of lambda, that is minus 2. And put this value back to the family of sphere, that gives us the required equation x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. Consider the next problem. Find the equation of sphere passing through the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 equal to 0, comma 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 equal to 0, and intersecting the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 equal to 0 orthogonally. So again we want a sphere which passes through the circle and satisfying the property of orthogonality. So consider the family of sphere which passes through the given circle and then use the condition of orthogonal sphere. So family of sphere will be equation of sphere plus lambda into equation of plane. So simplify it, collect all x terms together, y terms together and z terms together. So that gives us x square plus y square plus z square plus minus 2 plus 3 lambda into x plus 3 minus 4 lambda into y plus minus 4 plus 5 lambda into z plus 6 minus 15 lambda equal to 0. Now we know the condition for orthogonal sphere. That condition is in terms of u, v, w and d. So find what are u, v, w and d for this family as well as for the given sphere, and then make use of the condition of orthogonality. So for this sphere we find u, v, w and d. So u1 will be coefficient of x divided by 2. v1 will be coefficient of y, that is 3 minus 4y divided by 2. w1 will be coefficient of z divided by 2, that is minus 4 plus 5 lambda by 2, and constant term is d1. Do the same thing for the second sphere. Coefficient of x by 2 will be u2, coefficient of y divided by 2 is v2, coefficient of z by 2 is w2, and constant term is d2, that is 11. And the condition for orthogonality is 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. Okay, so make use of this condition of orthogonal sphere and put the values of u, v, w and d into it. Substituting all the values, we get 2 into minus 2 plus 3 lambda by 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 4 lambda by 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 4 plus 5 lambda by 2 into minus 3 is equal to d1 plus d2, that is 6 minus 15 lambda plus 11. Now simplify it. So it gives us minus 2 plus 3 lambda plus 6 minus 8 lambda plus 12 minus 15 lambda equal to 17 minus 15 lambda. So simplifying it, we get minus 5 lambda equal to 1. So lambda will be minus 1 by 5. Now put this value of lambda back to the family of sphere. So it gives us x square plus y square plus z square plus minus 2 plus 3 into minus 1 by 5 into x plus 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 5 into y plus minus 4 plus 5 into minus 1 by 5 into z plus 6 minus 15 into minus 1 by 5 equal to 0. So simplifying it, it gives us the required equation of sphere: x square plus y square plus z square minus 13x by 5 plus 19y by 5 minus 5z plus 9 equal to 0. Now consider the next example. Find the equation of sphere which touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 3y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0 at the point 1 1 minus 1 and passes through 0 0 3. Okay, now again here we want a sphere which touches the sphere at a point and it passes to another point. So again here we can consider the family of sphere, but for family of sphere we need a circle, and for circle we need sphere and plane. Now here we are given a sphere but we are not given a plane, so we can consider a tangent plane at this point. Then intersection of a sphere and this tangent plane will be a point. That is nothing but a point circle or a circle with radius 0. And then consider the family of sphere passing through that point circle and make use of the last property, it passes to 0 0 3. By that we can get the required equation of sphere. So firstly find what is a tangent plane to the given sphere. For that we need u, v, w and d. So u is nothing but coefficient of x by 2, that is minus half, v is 3 by 2, w is 2 by 2, that is 1, and constant term d is minus 3. So tangent plane at 1 1 minus 1 is given by x into x1, that is x into 1, y into y1, that is y, plus z into z1, that is minus z, plus u into x plus x1, that is minus half into x plus 1, plus 3 by 2 into y plus 1, plus z minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Now simplify this equation, that gives us x plus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is a tangent plane to the given sphere, so intersection of this sphere with plane is nothing but a point circle, a circle with radius 0. So considering all that family which passes through that point circle, and that is nothing but equation of sphere plus lambda into equation of that tangent plane equal to 0. Now simplify it and then make use of the last condition, that is it passes to 0, 0, 3. Okay, so this is that family of sphere. As it passes to 0, 0, 3, so it must satisfy this equation of a sphere, family of sphere. So putting it into it, it gets simplified to 9 plus 6 minus 3 plus lambda into 6 equal to 0. So that gives us lambda equal to 2. Substitute this back to the family of sphere. So we get x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 3y plus 2z minus 3 plus 2 into x plus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. Simplifying it gives us the required equation of sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 13y plus 2z minus 15 equal to 0.